Hi, I'm Michael Feldenkrais, your immigration attorney, providing you the immigration news every day here. New DNA rule sparks outcry from rights groups. Yes, civil liberties and immigrant advocates want you to be aware of the dangers they believe exist in a new plan that is in effect as of January 9th, 2009. It allows federal agencies to collect DNA samples from anyone who is arrested and from foreigners detained by immigration authorities. The Department of Justice rule aims to help federal law enforcement agencies solve and deter crimes by expanding the country's DNA database, which is overseen by the FBI. The government also hopes that sampling immigrant detainees will help law enforcement hold them accountable for any crimes they may have committed in the United States. The rule has sparked outcry from civil liberties advocates who say collecting a person's biological information is not the same as taking their fingerprint, since it contains more data than needed for identification and that can be used later for other purposes. The federal government estimates it makes about 140,000 arrests each year. Justice officials have estimated the new rule would add DNA from an additional 1.2 million people to the database each year. 13 states already collect DNA samples from some arrestees. Nearly all limit the practice to arrests related to violent crimes or felonies. At the federal level, officials will take a cheek swab for DNA from arrestees along with fingerprints regardless of the nature of the offense, according to the Department of Justice. DNA swapping. Is that something we should be doing to people who are arrested or even immigrants just to increase the database of knowledge of the U.S. government? Identification has been something that has been privileged, and privacy of an individual has been something that this country has strived for since its Constitution. As a matter of fact, there is no national identification card for a reason. And there's a reason why the Social Security card has no photo, and that is an invasion of privacy. Is collecting DNA samples from immigrants and from detainees an invasion of privacy? This question I leave to you to answer. This and much more here on Michael Feldenkrais, your immigration attorney.